Hey, I want to show you something really cool with the Microsoft Edge DevTools VS Code extension that allows you to play with DevTools and get those real-time changes as you'd normally expect, but still extract those changes automatically to your source code through the extension. I have the terminal here, and I've created a very simple demo directory with just one file. Let me open VS Code now. And so this is the file that I've created, just a simple demo with a bit of CSS code. I'll open the Microsoft Edge tools on the side now, and instead of just launching the instance right away, which would open DevTools in the browser, I want to create a launch.json configuration file so that I don't have to do it again next time. In particular, I want to right-click on the index file and copy the path so that I paste it in the URL field here. And what that means is that every time I launch the project, it's going to open that file, which I have here. So let me click that launch project button. And there we have it. We have the browser rendering of my demo as well as DevTools. So I can close the extension now. And that's great because I can do changes to this demo in two ways. I can either do it in the source code, just like I normally would. And if I do that, I have access to all of my normal VS Code extensions, like the MDN integration and ESLint and all that kind of stuff. But I can also choose to do it in DevTools directly. And that's great because DevTools provides advanced graphical editors. Like, for example, when you want to add a box shadow, there's this like little icon here that allows you to play with the blur and spread of the shadow in a very visual way so that you don't need to remember exactly what the syntax of the box shadow is. And as you do that, the changes are automatically synced with your source code directly. So you don't even need to extract them and remember where you made them in DevTools. They are synced right away. You can change the color as well. And that works as well. And of course, you can still do changes here, right? If you wanted to change the width to 50 vmin and height to 50 vmin, you could still do that and then refresh in the browser and you'd still see the same things. And that works. But again, you can do them in real time in DevTools and not have to worry about where those changes are going because they're being synced right away to your VS Code source code. And that's it. That's the tip. So give it a try and let us know what you think.